Beyond the weathered wood and industrial aroma lies a surprising secret: the charm and versatility of pallet furniture. What were once humble platforms for transporting goods are now blossoming into sofas, tables, shelves, and even headboards, offering a sustainable and stylish twist on your home decor. In the spirit of waste not, want not, let's delve into the captivating world of pallet furniture, where resourcefulness meets creativity and upcycling takes a center stage. The allure of pallet wood furniture begins with its uniqueness. Unlike mass-produced furniture, each piece carries the whispers of its utilitarian past. Imagine a coffee table crafted from recycled pallets, its surface bearing the faint impressions of nails and bearing the patina of countless journeys. Picture a dining table constructed from reclaimed wood, its imperfections telling the story of its previous life, adding a touch of rustic charm to your gatherings. This inherent individuality sets pallet furniture apart, imbuing each piece with a character that mass-produced alternatives simply cannot replicate. But the magic doesn't stop at aesthetics. Pallet furniture boasts an inherent sustainability that resonates with our eco-conscious times. By repurposing discarded wood, we breathe new life into what might otherwise end up in landfills. Imagine choosing a pallet sink for your backyard, knowing you have saved precious resources while creating a unique haven for relaxation. Picture adorning your walls with the reclaimed wood shelves, repurposing materials and reducing your environmental footprint. Each piece of pallet furniture becomes a statement of responsible consumption, a testament to our commitment to a greener future. Furthermore, pallet furniture shines in its versatility. Its modular nature allows for endless creative possibilities. Imagine a sprawling sectional sofa constructed from stacked and connected pallets, perfect for hosting movie nights with friends. Picture a minimalist bedside table fashioned from a single pallet, offering a rustic touch to your bedroom. From sleek coffee tables to charming headboards, the potential for customization is limitless, allowing you to tailor your furniture to your unique needs and aesthetic preferences. And let's not forget the affordability factor. Compared to traditional crafted furniture, pallet projects often carry a significantly lower price tag. This makes them an attractive option for budget-conscious individuals or those looking to furnish their first apartment. Imagine crafting a cozy reading nook using recycled pallets, creating a comfortable haven without breaking the bank. Picture building a spacious outdoor dining table, perfect for summer barbecues, all while ensuring your wallet stays happy. Pallet furniture allows you to express your creativity and furnish your home in a stylish and economical way. However, the journey into the world of pallet furniture isn't without its challenges. Sourcing the right quality pallets requires research and effort. Disassembly and preparation can be time-consuming and require basic carpentry skills. Finishing and treatment add another layer to process, demanding proper materials and attention to detail. But these challenges can be viewed as opportunities for learning, creativity, and personal satisfaction. So, the next time you see a discarded pallet, don't see waste, see potential. Embrace the rustic charm and environmental consciousness of pallet furniture. With a little effort and creativity, you can transform ordinary wood into extraordinary pieces that tell a story, reflect your values, and make your home a haven of sustainability and unique style. Remember, there is a hidden beauty in reclaimed materials, waiting to be unlocked by your resourceful spirit and dedication to upcycling. Let your imagination flourish, and your home will blossom with the warmth and uniqueness of pallet furniture. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on interior design tips and home decor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!